Hello everyone. So we're discussing the ESE mains solution 2021. Before starting the solution of the problem, there are basic announcements. On 12 months of subscription, additional 3 months is being provided. Those who are preparing for GATE and ESE 23, for them a bilingual batch is being launched on 24th of November. The topic which is starting is strength of material. Now the problem is of construction equipment and safety. It has two parts. The first part of the problem is briefly discuss various factors affecting the output of the power shovel to excavate the earth. Second, what are the precautions to be taken for labor safety during excavation work? Now, first part of the problem, since it is theoretical, I mentioned all the points. Various factors affecting the output of the power shovel are as follows. So there are several factors which affects the output of the power shovel. First is the depth of the cut. If the depth of the face from which the shovel is excavating the material is too shallow, cycle time will increase, hence the output will be reduced. If the depth of the face is greater than the minimum required to fill the dipper, the output will be increased. The second of the factor is angle of the swing. If the angle of the swivel is increased, the cycle time is also increased. While if the angle of the swivel is decreased, the cycle time is also decreased, and the output of the shovel is inversely proportional to the output of the shovel is inversely proportional to the cycle time. If the shovel digging, if the shovel is digging at the optimum depth, the angle of the swing is reduced from 90 to 60 degree, and the output will be increased by approximately 16%. So this is the second factor which affects the output of the power shovel. The third of the factor is size of the hauling units. The size of the hauling units, like truck, affect the output of the shovel. If the shovel used is of small size, the size of the hauling unit must also be small. While for the large shovel, the hauling unit should also be comparatively larger. The next factor is physical condition of the shovel. If the physical condition of the shovel is good, the output is increased. But if it is bad shape, obviously it will require frequent wear and tear and repair work. So downtime will be increased, output will be reduced. It will also depend upon the skill of the operator. The operator is skillful, the output of the shovel will be more, and vice versa. The second part of the problem is the various safety measures which are to be taken for the construction site during excavation are: when deep excavation is going on, then protective fencing should be erected, and also sufficient number of notice board and danger signals should be provided to prevent the accident by falling into the excavated trench or pit. The person working in the construction site should be provided with a suitable protective wears, helmets, gumboots, and goggles, hand gloves, etc. All the equipments and machines should be maintained in good working condition and in order to prevent any accident due to machine failure. Staff should not be allowed to wear loose clothing. Provision of first aid kit on the construction site should be there. Provision of the firefighting equipment at the site should be there. Switches, electrical installations, wires should be properly earthed and insulated and placed on the high ground on the platform. So these are the various safety measures. Thank you everyone.